We have back-to-back clippers moving across the prairies through this week. It's weather whiplash as well for some, so lots to talk about. Let's get into the winds this afternoon across southern Alberta. Pincher Creek gusts in excess of 90 kilometers an hour. The winds are strong and howling across the prairies, and then Wednesday they amp up even more. Take a look at southern Alberta, southern Saskatchewan, and southern Manitoba also feeling those strong winds midweek. Now, moisture-wise, we've got heavy snow for northern Alberta Monday overnight through Tuesday. Central Saskatchewan seeing snow on Tuesday as well. But our second clipper brings in more impactful issues with travel, with heavier snow dropping as well as the winds causing issues for southern Saskatchewan and southern Manitoba. Wednesday overnight could see some blowing snow, maybe even blizzard-like conditions. The snowfall accumulations will be heaviest right along the Yellowhead Highway on Wednesday, and temperatures with this and this week are going to drop dramatically in the wake of these systems.